Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Apex Legends not launching from Steam. So the first method that I want to show you, completely exit Steam on Task Manager as well. Exit Steam if there is an option here for you, and then on you just need to press Windows key and R, and just write here %, app data %, press OK. And then go to app data, locate Steam, and delete the folder here. It's just the Steam cache folder. It basically doesn't affect your computer here. As you can see here, Steam is still running, so it completely, I won't delete the folder, but if you exit completely Steam, you should delete this folder. And after that, go back to Steam. And the next thing, what you can do here, as you can see here, we need to wait for a few seconds until Steam loads up. We need to verify integrity of our game files. So as you can see here, I'm on Steam, and go to library, right click on Apex, and then go to local files and verify integrity of the game files. So maybe you have some corrupted files that need to be fixed, and this thing, basically by pressing it, it will help you, right? And the next thing, what you need to do here, you need to go to local files, browse, and then this folder should open up, and then you need to go to easy anti-cheat and basically launch this easy anti-cheat setup here, and then select Apex Legends and press repair service. And after that, then the next thing what you need to do here is to run Apex Legends as a administrator. So go to browse, look for R5 Apex, right click on it, go to compatibility, and make sure disable full screen optimization is on, and run this program as administrator is on again here. Apply, press OK, and if the problem persists, then the next thing what you can do here, you need to open up command prompt and right click on it, go to run as administrator, press yes, and on this window you need to write nesh winsock reset, and then /flush DNS. Let me flush DNS here, flush DNS, right? And these basically methods should fix your problem that Apex is not launching on Steam, right? So that's pretty much it what I want to show you, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.